Welcome to my channel, guys. Today I'll be showing you the solve and reset of this puzzle box, and in another video I'll show you the tutorial. The first step you would think is here, and if you push it hard enough it will pop out, but sorry, this isn't supposed to pop out. If you pull it out it just pops out. See? So that's not supposed to pop out. It's supposed to be stuck, so just don't force that. And the first step is supposed to be here, and you can pull it out one block, and most people think, oh, that's it, but then you can pull it out an extra bit. This enables this to be pressed, which enables this to be pressed and releases a prize. That can be any prize, whatever. For the reset, you push that back in, get this black piece out, push that back out. Oh, just messed up. Push that back in, then push this all the way back in. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe.